In Taiwan, a large group of friends is meeting at a local Seventh-day Adventist church. Not all of these friends are Adventist members, but all feel welcome to attend. It has become known as the All Generations Center. This group is made up of elderly members of the community. They meet together as part of a regular program run by the church. This program has been active for almost 10 years now. The Taiwanese government recognizes what they do and supports their programs. Pastor Tom is in charge of running the program and planning the activities.
Many lonely old people, they don't have nobody take care of them. So the government needs the church to serve, to help, to support them.
Many of those who come don't have family in the area. They don't have people to help take care of them. So you can imagine their excitement when they get together and socialize. The church provides a healthy lunch for the group. Pastor Tom makes sure to jump in his car to visit the homes of those who are not physically able to attend. He spends some time at their homes, hand-delivers meals, and prays with them. Aside from lunch, the group also enjoys exercising, blood pressure checks, crafts, and music. This center of influence has bridged a gap to allow people to attend church on Sabbath. Before this program began, community members were not sure what to think about Adventist.
They would not come to my church, never. But when we start this service, or Generation Center, they come. They easily. Because this is for take care of them. Through this kind of the service, they will open mind and make friends with us.
Through this ministry, people are getting to know Jesus and are happier with their lives. Throughout Taiwan, the Adventist Church has established centers of influence to meet people's needs. In this community, it meant creating the All Generations Center. In other communities, education is a challenge. Yulin Chang attended this after-school program run by the Adventist Church. The program helps tutor kids who may need help and direction. Yulin struggled in school and had a difficult home life. He faced a lot of trouble in his earlier years, and it caused a lot of confusion of what to do with his life. After attending the after-school program, Yulin learned about Jesus and found purpose in his life. Now he is a tutor and helps kids who were once in his position. People all over the world are in need. Each community has different needs. Centers of influence around the world are helping touch lives in their communities. A portion of your mission offering will help support centers of influence in Taiwan. Please pray for these projects. Pray that they may grow and continue to be a light in this world.